How to set up shipping on Squarespace. This is a step-by-step tutorial for you in order for you to use the Squarespace in terms of shipping. The first thing that you might want to do is access shipping settings. Log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the website editor. After that, in the main menu, click on Settings on the lower left side. Then click on Selling. You need to scroll down and look for Shipping. Next step is to click on the Add Shipping Zone button to create shipping zones for different regions or countries. Configure shipping methods. For each shipping zone, click on Add Shipping Method to specify how you want to charge for shipping. You can choose from options like flat rate, carrier calculated, or free shipping. Then, set shipping rates. Depending on the shipping method you select, set up the shipping rates based on factors like weight, order value, or a flat rate. Customize shipping options. After doing so, customize shipping options such as delivery times, shipping labels, and tracking. Once you've configured shipping settings for each zone, make sure to save your changes. And that is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching.